Are you guys planning to buy used Honda or Acura cars or already own one? Listen to this, folks. American Honda Motor Corporation submitted a recall report to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration that's potentially affecting about almost 250,000 Honda and Acura vehicles due to a manufacturing defect of the engine crankshaft. The connecting rod bearing can prematurely wear and seize. It states here further in the recall report that if the connecting rod bearing seizes, the engine can be damaged and run improperly, stall, stop while driving, and or not start, increasing the risk of a fire, crash, or injury.